everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Balas. Happy Sravana Sukravaram, all of you. So today is the Sravana Sukravaram, so I would like to share with you a sweet recipe. So let's get started to the video. First of all, take a vessel and pour half cup of Toordal and add some water and not enough. And now flame on it. Now add little bit ilachi powder on it. Make sure that the flame is medium and now mix it well. After cooking the toordal, now add jaggery powder or jaggery pieces on it. Same quantity, half cup of jaggery powder. Now mix these two ingredients well. Now make it cool down these two ingredients. After that, take a mixie jar and pour into that and grind it well. We want paste now. So this is the paste of toordal and jaggery powder. Add 2 or 3 spoons of ghee. Now take another vessel or bandi like this and pour oil for deep frying. Now take this paste and make a balls like this. After that, we making balls. Take dosa batter and dip that ball into it. Take this ball and put on the oil pan and deep fry it. Make another balls also, same procedure. Deep fry these balls until it turns into the brown color. Now these are roasted well, so take a plate and serve it. So this is the Toordal poornalu. I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.